Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border color. The CSS border color property is used to set the color of the four borders. The color can be set by name, it can be set by name, it can be set by X color value, or it can be set by RGB color value. It can also be set by HSL color value, and it can also be set by transparent. So I'm going to be exploring this for you guys so you guys can understand how it works clearly. And note, if border color is not set, it inherits the color of the element. That is, every color, if you don't set the border color, it will automatically inherit the color of the element. So in our next tutorial, that's where we are going to continue our discussion. Anwar Akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thanks.